Okay guys, I got a Subaru 2022 BRZ. So I had to replace this airbag. So right there, you can see that little metal piece right there. You're gonna push it in. There's another one right there. And then there's one right there. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm on the ground right now looking up. So we're gonna go like this and push it like that. This one, we're gonna push it like that. Okay. This one right there, and push it in like that. So this is really easy to do if you're on your back looking up. Otherwise, it's really difficult to see what you're doing. So hopefully that helped, and thanks for watching.